Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover how to create a folder. So, what is a folder? So, in a computer, a folder is a space that is used to store your files or other folders or shortcuts of other programs. Now, this is how we are going to implement this video. Now, let's get started. So now we are at my desktop. So first of all, I will right click over here. Then I will go to new. Then I will select the folder. Now I can add a meaningful name. I will write the video folder and then hit enter. Now this folder is created. So this is how you create a folder. Now let's summarize. So in this video, we have covered how to create a folder in Windows. Thank you for watching.